Trooper nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
एक फ्लाइट कमांडर एक फ्लाइट तो ऐसे और 21 कंटनजन फ्लाइट निरीक्षण के लिए
Ringkat batkari baru kawe ka West Jante Hills District ru Jingrakhe ya ka Republic Day ne ka Jingrwai senchar ka ri dala dia ya ka balarake hamadan Drisalen chutwaku jowai mentakasngi.
Occasion of the 74th Republic Day and on the 51st anniversary of the statehood of Meghalaya. It was on this day in 1950 that India was established as the largest democratic republic. Our constitution is a testament to the values of democracy, justice, liberty and equality that have guided our nation since its inception. As citizens of India, we are protected by the fundamental rights that are enshrined in our constitution. We must also remember our fundamental duties, which are provided in Part 4A of the Constitution in Article 51A. Republic Day is a time for all Indians to come together and celebrate the values and principles that make our country great. It is a time to remember the sacrifices and struggles of our freedom fighters and to reaffirm our commitment to build a better, more prosperous and inclusive nation for all.
Ya kalama jongkari lapan herdo Deputy Commissioner uba BS Solia IAS haga jingdon nang Superintendent of Police ka West Jante Hills Bikram di Marak bat kiwe ki officer ka district.
The next contingent, Ebon Ki Kam. Can we have a round of applause for Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides Joy, commanded by Mr. German Miki Mawai. Approaching the saluting guides is the QC Springside Secondary School Joy, commanded by Miss Vansakani Devi.
By Sakani Bihar. A big round of applause to Sakani Bihar and the contingent of Jingrwai Higher Secondary School Joy. With Alfred D. Jingshad as the commander, a big round of applause for Alfred D. Jingshad and the participants in the march past of Kijumi Jingrakhe High Secondary School Joy. Next we have the Joy Public School Joy being commanded by Dame Bodhikarat. A big round of applause for public school. We have the Tommy Memorial Secondary School Joy being commanded by Mr. Kevin Babe.
School contingent, led and commanded by this. Following Dr. Girls High Secondary School is the Chase Guards. The next contingent is North Liberty Higher Secondary School Joy, approaching the saluting guys is the Temple Secondary School Joy, Jingshad.
After the Tibetali Secondary School Joy, Namba Government High Secondary School Joy. Following the game number, we have the Champion Higher, the much faster.
Lapan po panpi ka Jingrakhe da ka jingpen ina mi ki khatlai tali ki tablu ki blashna kerpang da ki tanat trai kam sarkar ban pen pau ya ka rukam trai kam batru ka jingpen trai kam ya ki scheme bapher jong ka sarkar.
To which they are traveling in order to encourage people of the state to operate homestays as a source of livelihood and with the view to exploit employment generation potential of tourism in both rural and urban areas. The government of Meghalaya
Territorial Division Joy. Part of our local traditions and culture which has been passed on from generation.
Shu lapan po panpi ka Jingrakhe da ki Jingrwai Jingshad tanrai balai shimban ta da ki Samla Pule na ka kyang nang ba Government College ba Thomas Jones Synod College bat kiwe kumjo ki dong bapher.
Wallalan shom er yom upria laman sim ipen im
UDC baru SP kila sam kusnam shiginong job. Haga jingpen ina mi kita blue haga baka district sericulture, ka agriculture but district commerce and industries center West Janta Hills kila long kinong job. Bala samru ika kusnam best marching contingent. Bala yo daga GNV Higher Secondary School, Mukhla, Baar ka Government Boys High Secondary School, but balai ka St. Mary's Mazarello High Secondary School.
Being commanded by Shri Wainat Khan. Another big round of applause for the much fast